The Coldwater Chamber has been around since 1947 and has always been a very strong force here in Branch County. The goal of the Coldwater Chamber is to get all the small businesses and large businesses connected, networking together, and growing together as a solid force in our community. We have enlarged to include Quincy and Bronson under our umbrella. We're located in the heart of the city, and we share an office with the Visitors Bureau. We have a lot of traffic in here, and we're introducing a lot of the people, the touring people, to our community, which is so important since we're a large lake community as well. We have a conference room that is free to our chamber members that you can use anytime to have meetings and invite the community in. One of the biggest benefits you'll get from the chamber is credibility. Once you become a chamber member, you're in our directory, people go to our website, they see your name. That's credibility. You can't buy that. Every month we have coffee hours, which is a great networking opportunity. People from the community come together and just talk about what's going on in Coldwater, and you can kind of introduce your business in a really informal way. We have month-to-month after-hours networking.
When I moved here about a year and a few months ago, the first place I was looking at was the chamber to figure out how I can get involved. I think the chamber is a great place for all businesses in general to come and meet people.
Every year, 450 businesses across Branch County are involved in Coldwater Area Chamber to learn, connect, and grow. There's promotion, publicity you're going to get, and we just started a member-to-member discount. So once you're a chamber member, you're going to get a discount at other chamber members' establishments. So what are you waiting for? Join the Coldwater Area Chamber of Commerce today to connect with the community and grow your business.